Good day, guys. Do you want to know how to use LinkedIn to grow your business and brand in 2020? So this is Shane Bichner, the founder of the Business Media. Today I want to share with you 3 tips on how to optimize your LinkedIn profile to land your next dream client and actually to also grow your business. So step 1 is to ensure that you have a professional photo taken, whether that's with a decent smartphone, whether it's in selfie mode, and to ensure that it's not any images that you might have on Facebook and Instagram. Remember that this is very much a business platform, and you'll be connecting with other relevant founders, CEOs, entrepreneurs, as well as business owners. I think step 2 would be that you optimize your headline, that it's able to be catching and also enticing for those that are connecting with you. So for example, my current headline states that I connect brands and businesses with new customers, and that exactly is what I do. And then I think lastly, it's just to start connecting and networking with relevant people within your industry and within your niche. And I'll definitely start off with connecting to start building your network to over 500 connections, and therefore LinkedIn will be able to open up more features and functions for you to utilize to be able to grow and network within your business. If you want to find out more about learning how to increase your business using LinkedIn and other social media platforms, remember to subscribe to my channel, which is Shane Bichner on YouTube. And let's work, learn, and grow together in 2020. Keep well. Bye.